Hello, my name is Liza, and today I have one more project for 4th of July using items from the Dollar Tree. What you will need are one of the styrofoam cones, the beads. They have them 6 to a package. The red ones I believe I got at like Valentine's or Christmas time, I can't remember. I used one of the styrofoam stars that are scatter. You can either use one of these small plastic bowls, or if you have one, a container from the small succulents. I did not find any white beads, so I actually painted them. They didn't come out the most perfect, but they'll work in a pinch. The first thing I did was I did take off the label, but I left on the plastic because I was afraid that the hot glue would really melt the styrofoam as I was trying to glue the beads on. So I started at the very top, and I just started putting my blue beads down, and then realized I don't really know how far I need to go down, so I flipped it over and I started to put my red and white beads on. I just did 13 rows, red, white alternating, like the American flag. And I just put some hot glue every couple of beads so that it would stay on. And then I went back and I put some more blue beads on, and I realized I painted too many of the blue beads white and I was short a strand, so I had to run to Dollar Tree and pick up another blue strand. To paint the stars, I used the stars from the star shadow box that I saved, and I just put some two-sided tape down on some cardboard and laid my stars down on top of it, and then I was able to just paint them without, they're very thin and they fly away, so I just used some chalk paint and I dabbed it on. And I started off with 2 rows because I didn't know how many I was going to need. But in the end, 2 rows was actually the perfect amount. So here you can see I'm just dabbing the paint on. And then once the paint was already dry, I pulled them all off, so they're removed from there. And then before I put them on, I decided which base I wanted to use. This is how it would look with the succulent planter, but I opted for painting the inside of one of those little bowls red, and that's the one I'm going to use. And then I did have little paper doilies, not from Dollar Tree, but I just thought I'd add that to the bottom of the tree just to make it look a little more vintage. But in order to glue it on, I did remove the plastic off the bottom because it was too wobbly, so just cut that off with a scissor. I glued the stars on with some hot glue in strategically, and my patriotic Christmas tree is done. And I actually am keeping this in my bathroom because it fit really nice alongside my soap dishes. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.